Rising 3 stories atop a secluded ridge, Carla Ridge House, designed by Walker Workshop in Beverly Hills, offers a dramatic and extensive view of Los Angeles to the east of this hilltop parcel. Rather than creating a single, hulking mass, the architect broke up the house into 2 wings that are slightly rotated to ensure optimal vistas. The wings are connected by a low-lying central volume with ample glazing. This type of layering aligns the upper residence into a pair of parallel dwellings, like rotated wings whose ends point outwards into the view, while their longer earthbound axes establish a horizontal visual frame. A mix of materials were used for the facades, including Western red cedar, concrete and white stucco. Walker Workshop placed the most lived-in parts of the house, the kitchen, dining room, and entrance, in the main body of the house, between the parallel wings. This main volumes frames the landscape and horizon, creating a sense of infinite openness. Just as the infinity pool drops off at the skyline, so does the view upon walking in. In the kitchen, the team incorporated marble islands, white oak cabinetry, and high-end appliances. The rear yard features a patchwork of patios and gardens, along with an infinity-edge lap pool that stretches 84 feet, 26 meters. Finishes in the public zone and elsewhere include gray tile flooring, white walls, and ceilings wrapped in honey-toned cedar. The stairs leading to the upper parts are clad in oak, with a seamlessly embedded oak handrail. Large stretches of glass usher in natural light while enabling the homeowners to take in the scenery. The sprawling abode contains 7 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms, along with luxury amenities such as a theater and fitness studio. The bedrooms, located in the wings, are accessed via wooden staircases bordered by concrete walls. Natural light streams in through large windows. The private areas have sleek bathrooms, spacious closets, and generous balconies, several of which cantilever over the site. Atop the central volume is a party deck measuring 2,000 square feet, 186 square meters. In addition to being a spectacular spot for entertaining, the deck acts as a bridge that connects the two wings. Here's a look at the plan. The iconic Hollywood sign is visible from the home, which is located in the coveted Truesdale Estates neighborhood, where celebrities such as Elvis Presley and Jennifer Aniston have lived.